Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Musu, and if this is the first time that you are coming across my channel or watching one of my videos, I say welcome to you. What I do here is share with you most of the things that I do at home, including cooking, decorating, organizing, and the little DIY projects that I take on to keep my home organized and beautiful. Home is where we spend a lot of our time, and we want to make sure that our home is inviting for us to relax and to have fun. What I do here is to share my recipes, my little DIY projects, my tips and tools to keep you motivated and inspired to take on your day. Isn't that something that you would love to be a part of? So I invite you to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification button so whenever I have a new video loaded, you will get to know immediately. Thank you for watching, and I will be seeing you very soon in one of my videos.